Shy Bunch, aren't you? Yeah, that's what I thought. Okay, hi. Thanks for coming to the show, and thanks for tuning into Mad TV. Please put your hands together for a very Jerry Springer welcome for Jerry Springer.
Thank you very much. Hey, welcome to the show. That's great. Thank you. Welcome to the show. It is great to be able to be here on Mad TV and have a little fun. But I got to tell you, not all of it is fun and games. Nicole?
Yeah, what?
How long have you been going with your boyfriend?
About 2 years, I guess. Why?
2 years you've been going with him.
Yeah.
Yeah, well, I tell you what, he has a surprise he wants to share with you, so let's bring him out. Here's your boyfriend.
This isn't funny. Hank, why are you doing... What is this?
Honey, it's gonna be okay, baby.
No.
Don't worry about it.
Why didn't you tell me?
I thought I did.
I think I would have remembered this, you know? And that's my screw. You didn't even ask to borrow it, which is really irritating.
Jerry, she's just jealous because I look better in it than she does.
All right, everybody, we have more fun and surprises coming up.
No more surprises for me, though. Promise, Jerry? No more.
No, Billy.